Welcome, fellow travelers, to a journey through the vast and awe-inspiring cosmos. Tonight, we'll be exploring the celestial wonders that grace our universe. Let your worries melt away as we delve into the serene beauty of space. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and allow these calming space facts to carry you away on a tide of tranquility. Tonight, we'll drift amongst distant stars, ponder the mysteries of black holes, and marvel at the elegant dance of galaxies. Prepare to be mesmerized by the boundless wonders that await. The cosmos, in all its grandeur and mystery, invites you to a place of peace and wonder. Let the journey begin. Our universe is a realm of unimaginable size, stretching out for billions upon billions of light years in every direction. To truly grasp its immensity is to touch the infinite. Imagine a single ray of light traveling at an unfathomable speed, traversing the cosmos for billions of years. Such vastness can seem overwhelming, yet there's a serenity in knowing our world is but a small part of something far grander. Consider the countless stars scattered across this vast expanse, each a distant sun, perhaps harboring its own family of planets. The sheer scale of the universe invites a sense of humility and awe, reminding us of the boundless possibilities that lie beyond our own pale blue dot. As we contemplate the universe's immensity, we find ourselves humbled by its grandeur, lulled into a state of peaceful wonder by its infinite expanse. Here, on Earth, we're constantly surrounded by sound. The rustling of leaves, the crashing of waves, the murmur of voices, a symphony of vibrations that fill the air. Yet, in the vacuum of space, silence reigns supreme. Sound, as we know it, cannot travel through the emptiness of space. There's no air for sound waves to vibrate, no medium to carry those familiar noises to our ears. It's a profound and absolute silence, unlike anything we experience on our own planet. Imagine floating in a spacesuit, surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of the cosmos, yet enveloped in a deep, all-encompassing quiet. This silence is not empty or lonely, but rather a serene and calming presence, a soothing balm for the soul. In this tranquil embrace of space, far from the noise and chaos of our world, we find a unique opportunity for introspection and peace. Light, that celestial messenger, travels at an astonishing speed, nearly 300,000 kilometers per second. Yet, even at this breakneck pace, it takes time for light to traverse the vast distances of space. Consider our sun, the star that bathes our planet in life-giving warmth. The sunlight we see and feel right now embarked on its journey from the sun's surface over 8 minutes ago. Imagine, for those 8 minutes, photons, those tiny packets of light energy, have been traveling through the vacuum of space, a silent journey across nearly 150 million kilometers. This gentle reminder of light's journey underscores the immense scale of our cosmic neighborhood. It invites us to contemplate the grand dance of celestial objects, where even the fastest thing in the universe takes its time. As you prepare for sleep, let this thought soothe you. The sunlight warming your face traveled a great distance to reach you, a cosmic voyage completed just in time for nightfall. Our cosmic address places us within the Milky Way galaxy, a vast, swirling city of stars, gas, and dust. Imagine a majestic spiral, its arms glittering with the light of hundreds of billions of stars. This is the Milky Way, our home in the universe. From our vantage point on Earth, we see the Milky Way as a band of diffuse light stretching across the night sky. Each point of light in that band represents a distant sun, many likely orbited by their own families of planets. The Milky Way is constantly rotating, a slow, graceful waltz that takes over 200 million years to complete one revolution. As we drift off to sleep, we become part of this celestial ballet, carried along with our sun on its journey around the galactic center. This sense of belonging, of being cradled within the Milky Way's embrace, offers a comforting perspective on our place in the cosmos. We are, after all, children of the stars, born from the same cosmic material that makes up our galaxy's grand design. Consider the vastness of a beach, the countless grains of sand stretching as far as the eye can see. Now, try to imagine a number far greater, a number so large it dwarfs even the grains of sand on every shore, in every corner of our planet. That, my friends, is the estimated number of stars in the observable universe. Hundreds of billions of galaxies, each teeming with billions upon billions of stars. Each star, a distant sun, potentially harboring its own collection of planets, moons, and maybe, just maybe, life as we know it, or as we don't yet know it. The sheer abundance of stars is a humbling and awe-inspiring thought. It reminds us that our planet, our solar system, is but one tiny speck in a cosmic ocean of possibilities. As you allow your mind to wander among these countless stars, let their distant light fill you with a sense of peace and wonder. For in the grand tapestry of the universe, even as one small being preparing for sleep, you are a part of something truly extraordinary. Our cosmic neighborhood, the solar system, is home to a fascinating family of planets, 8 in all, each with its own unique character and story. These celestial wanderers, bound to the sun by gravity's invisible hand, gracefully pirouette through the vastness of space. From the scorching heat of Mercury, the closest to our star, to the icy plains of Neptune, billions of miles away, each planet holds its own secrets. Imagine the colossal storms that rage on Jupiter, a gas giant so large it could contain all the other planets combined. Or the delicate rings of Saturn, composed of countless icy particles, each one reflecting sunlight like a tiny mirror. And then there's Earth, our pale blue dot, teeming with life. As we journey through the solar system, we gain a sense of perspective. We see that our planet, for all its beauty and complexity, is but one member of a much larger cosmic family. So, as you drift off to sleep, let your mind wander amongst these celestial spheres. Imagine the silent ballet of their orbits, the vast distances that separate them, and the countless wonders that each one holds. Among the many wonders of our solar system, Saturn's rings stand out as a breathtaking spectacle. Imagine billions of icy particles, ranging in size from grains of sand to houses, all gracefully orbiting the gas giant. These icy fragments, remnants of comets, asteroids or shattered moons, reflect sunlight, creating a dazzling display that has captivated astronomers for centuries. Like celestial dancers, the ring particles waltz in a delicate balance between Saturn's gravity and their own orbital momentum. This cosmic ballet, a testament to the laws of physics, has been ongoing for eons. The rings are not solid structures, but rather a constantly shifting and evolving system. Collisions between particles are common, creating waves and ripples that propagate through the rings like whispers in the cosmic wind. As we gaze upon these shimmering bands from afar, we are reminded of the universe's capacity for both grandeur and intricate beauty. The rings of Saturn, like celestial jewels, spark our imagination and invite us to contemplate the mysteries that lie beyond our own world. So, as you close your eyes tonight, envision yourself floating among Saturn's rings. Feel the weightlessness, the silence, and the awe-inspiring beauty of this celestial marvel. Time, as we experience it here on Earth, is a constant and unwavering companion. But venture out into the cosmos, and you'll discover that time can dance to a different tune. Take Venus, our planetary neighbor shrouded in thick clouds. Here, a day. The time it takes for the planet to rotate once on its axis lasts longer than its year, the time it takes to complete an orbit around the sun. Imagine a sunrise that stretches for months, the sun slowly creeping across the sky, only to set again what feels like an eternity later. This curious phenomenon arises from Venus's retrograde rotation, spinning in the opposite direction to most planets in our solar system, while the reason for this backward spin remains a mystery. It serves as a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, challenging our earthly assumptions about the nature of time and space. As you prepare for sleep, let your mind wander to the surface of Venus. Picture its volcanic landscapes bathed in the dim reddish glow of a perpetual sunset. And remember, in the grand cosmic scheme, time is but a construct, fluid and ever-changing. In the vast emptiness of our solar system, there lies a planet that has captivated human imagination for centuries. Mars. Our celestial neighbor, a world of rusty red hues, beckons us with its silent allure. The fourth rock from the sun, Mars is a place of stark beauty. Its surface, painted a deep crimson by iron oxide, speaks of a time long ago when volcanoes roared and ancient rivers flowed. Though seemingly barren now, Mars holds the promise of whispered secrets waiting to be uncovered. Imagine yourself standing on that alien soil, the thin dry air whipping gently around you. The silence would be profound, broken only by the whisper of the wind. Above you, a pale salmon-pink sky stretches towards the horizon, where two small moons trace their paths across the celestial canvas. It's a landscape that invites contemplation, a world that reminds us of the vastness of space and the enduring power of time. As you drift off to sleep, let your mind wander to the dusty plains of Mars, a silent symphony of rock and sky. Few objects in the cosmos inspire as much awe and intrigue as black holes. These cosmic entities, born from the death throes of massive stars, are regions of space-time where gravity's grip is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Imagine a place where the very fabric of reality becomes distorted, where time itself slows to a crawl as you approach the point of no return, the event horizon. It's a concept that stretches the limits of our understanding, a cosmic abyss that challenges our perceptions of the universe. And yet, for all their enigmatic nature, black holes are integral threads in the cosmic tapestry. They sculpt galaxies, influencing the birth and evolution of stars like our own sun. They remind us that the universe is a place of constant change, where death and rebirth are forever intertwined. As you prepare for sleep, let the mystery of black holes draw you in. Consider the vastness of space, the unimaginable power of these cosmic objects, and allow yourself to drift into a peaceful slumber, cradled by the secrets of the universe. Scattered across the cosmos like celestial lighthouses are some of the most extreme and fascinating objects called the neutron stars. These stellar remnants, born from the explosive deaths of massive stars, are tiny but incredibly dense, packing the mass of our sun into a sphere just a few miles across. Imagine a teaspoon of neutron star material weighing billions of tons. That's how tightly packed these objects are. And as they spin some hundreds of times per second, they emit beams of radiation that sweep across the sky, creating pulses of light we detect here on Earth. These pulses, as regular as the ticking of a cosmic clock, have earned some neutron stars the name pulsars. They are a testament to the extreme forces at play in the universe, a reminder that even in the depths of space, there is rhythm and order. As you close your eyes and prepare for sleep, visualize the steady pulse of a neutron star, a celestial heartbeat in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Let its rhythmic energy lull you into a state of tranquility, knowing that even in the darkness, the universe beats with a life of its own. Space may seem like a vast, empty canvas, but it's alive with motion, teeming with galaxies engaged in a celestial ballet that unfolds over eons. Imagine, if you will, these majestic islands of stars, each a swirling metropolis of light and matter, drawn together by a force we've come to know as gravity. These gravitational encounters are not violent collisions, but rather slow, graceful waltzes. Over billions of years, galaxies twirl around each other, their spiral arms stretching and distorting, like dancers reaching out to their partners. Stars, those distant suns, are gently nudged from their original paths, creating intricate streams of light that illuminate the cosmic dance floor. As these galaxies intertwine, they begin to share more than just gravitational attraction. Clouds of gas and dust, the very ingredients of stars, collide and coalesce, triggering bursts of star formation that ripple through the merging galaxies. New generations of stars ignite, their light a testament to the creative power of these cosmic interactions. And so, the dance continues. Over countless millennia, the merging galaxies will eventually become one, a larger, more majestic island of stars born from the union of two celestial dancers. It's a beautiful reminder that even in the vastness of space, change is constant, and interactions, however subtle, shape the very fabric of our universe. We often think of the universe as a static backdrop, a fixed and unchanging stage for the cosmic drama. But this couldn't be further from the truth. Our universe is a dynamic, ever-evolving entity, and one of its most remarkable features is its constant expansion. Imagine, for a moment, baking a loaf of raisin bread. As the dough rises, the raisins within it spread further and further apart. Similarly, the galaxies in our universe are not fixed in place. They are moving away from each other, carried along by the expansion of space itself. This expansion isn't like an explosion, with galaxies hurtling through space from a central point. Instead, picture it as the very fabric of space stretching, carrying the galaxies along with it. The further apart galaxies are, the faster they appear to recede from us. It's a mind-boggling concept to grasp, yet it's a fundamental aspect of our universe. The expanding universe reveals a profound truth. Change is a constant, not just on Earth, but on the grandest scales imaginable. It speaks to the dynamism of the cosmos, a universe in perpetual motion, forever reshaping itself, a notion both humbling and awe-inspiring. In the vast cosmic ocean, we find remnants of past events, echoes of creation that reach us across unimaginable gulfs of time. One such echo, a faint whisper from the universe's earliest moments, permeates all of space, the cosmic microwave background. Imagine, if you will, the universe in its infancy. A hot, dense soup of energy just moments after the Big Bang. Light, trapped within this primordial inferno, could only travel short distances before being scattered by the dense particles that filled the early universe. As the universe expanded and cooled, these particles eventually combined to form atoms, allowing light to finally travel freely for the first time. This first burst of light, stretched over billions of years by the universe's expansion, is what we now detect as the cosmic microwave background radiation. This faint afterglow, invisible to the naked eye but detectable by our instruments, is a relic of a bygone era, a baby picture of the universe itself. It's a testament to the incredible journey our universe has undertaken, from a hot, dense state to the vast, complex cosmos we observe today. Each time we study this faint afterglow, we're listening to the whispers of creation, unraveling the mysteries of our cosmic origins. Throughout the cosmos, change is the only constant. Even the stars themselves, those seemingly eternal points of light, are subject to the inexorable passage of time. Like the changing seasons here on Earth, stars are born, they live, and they eventually fade away. Deep within the hearts of giant molecular clouds, gravity draws together vast quantities of hydrogen and helium. As these clouds collapse, temperatures soar, igniting the nuclear fusion that powers a star's radiant heart. For millions, even billions of years, stars burn brightly, casting their light and energy across the vast expanse of space. But even stars have a finite lifespan. As they exhaust their nuclear fuel, they undergo dramatic transformations. Some swell into red giants, shedding their outer layers into space. Others collapse upon themselves, forming incredibly dense objects like white dwarfs or neutron stars. And so, the cycle continues. The material expelled from dying stars enriches the interstellar medium, seeding the formation of future generations of stars. It's a cosmic lullaby, a reminder that even in the vastness of space, nothing truly lasts forever, and that's okay. High above the Earth, where the atmosphere thins and the pull of gravity weakens, orbits a shining testament to human ingenuity and international collaboration: the International Space Station. This remarkable feat of engineering, a symbol of our collective pursuit of knowledge and exploration, circles our planet at an astonishing speed of 17,500 miles per hour. Imagine, for a moment, a world without borders, where scientists and engineers from different nations work side by side, united by a shared passion for discovery. That's the International Space Station. Aboard this orbiting laboratory, astronauts conduct cutting-edge research in a variety of fields, from biology and medicine to materials science and astrophysics. Their work not only expands our understanding of the universe, but also yields practical benefits for life on Earth, leading to advancements in technology, healthcare, and environmental science. The International Space Station serves as a powerful reminder that when we set aside our differences and work together, we can achieve truly extraordinary things. As we gaze up at this orbiting beacon of human achievement, let it serve as a reminder of our shared responsibility to care for our home planet and to continue pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The cosmos beckons, and the International Space Station lights the way. Here on Earth, we're bound by gravity's relentless pull, dictating our every step and grounding us to the surface. But in the depths of space, a remarkable transformation occurs. Free from the constraints of gravity's constant tug, astronauts aboard the International Space Station experience the liberating sensation of weightlessness, of floating effortlessly through their unique environment. Imagine yourself untethered, your body suspended in a state of perpetual freefall. Every movement becomes a graceful dance, a fluid ballet, unconstrained by the limitations of weight. Water forms into shimmering spheres, objects hover in midair, and the simple act of moving from one end of a module to the other becomes an exhilarating experience. This weightless environment, however, is more than just a source of wonder and amusement. It presents unique opportunities for scientific inquiry, allowing researchers to study the effects of microgravity on the human body, on plant growth, and on the behavior of fluids and materials. These experiments hold the key to unlocking new insights into fundamental physics and biology, paving the way for future space exploration. So, as you drift off to sleep tonight, imagine yourself floating alongside those astronauts, weightless and free, surrounded by the serene beauty of our planet. Let the tranquility of microgravity wash over you, carrying you away to a peaceful slumber. space and time, as we know them, are deeply intertwined. When we look up at the night sky, we are not just seeing stars as they are now, but as they were when their light first began its long journey to Earth. Think about that for a moment. Some of the starlight, hitting your eye tonight, embarked on its journey millions, even billions, of years ago. In a way, we are peering back through time, witnessing the universe as it was in its infancy. Imagine the stories those ancient photons could tell, having crossed unimaginable distances, having witnessed the birth and death of stars, the collision of galaxies, the slow waltz of cosmic evolution. Each photon carries a whisper of the past, a testament to the vastness of the universe and the grand timescale on which the cosmos operates, a timescale that dwarfs our own by an unfathomable degree. Scattered throughout the vast canvas of space, we find nebulae, breathtaking clouds of gas and dust, lit from within by the radiance of newborn stars. These stellar nurseries are some of the most visually stunning objects in the cosmos. Their swirling colors and ethereal forms a testament to the universe's boundless capacity for creativity. Within these cosmic clouds, gravity gently gathers and compresses the raw materials for new stars and planetary systems. Imagine, for a moment, these clouds as cosmic gardens, where the seeds of future worlds are sown and nurtured over eons. The colors of nebulae, often vibrant hues of red, blue, and green, arise from the interaction of light with different elements within the cloud. It's as if the universe is revealing its own artistic palette, using the language of light and color to paint these magnificent interstellar landscapes. As we gaze upon these celestial canvases, we are reminded that the universe is not a static, unchanging place, but a dynamic, evolving entity where birth, death, and renewal are woven into the very fabric of existence. Few sights in the night sky are as familiar and comforting as the phases of the moon. This celestial dance between the sun, earth, and moon has captivated humanity for millennia, inspiring countless myths, stories, and works of art. As the moon orbits our planet, the angle at which we see its sunlit surface changes, creating the familiar cycle of new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent before the cycle begins anew. This predictable rhythm, this celestial ballet, has served as a natural clock for countless civilizations, marking the passage of time and guiding agricultural practices. It's a reminder of the deep connection between humanity and the cosmos, a connection that transcends cultures and time itself. As you drift off to sleep, let the soft, silvery glow of the moon serve as a calming presence, a reminder of the universe's gentle rhythms and the quiet beauty of the cosmos that surrounds us. From the depth of space, the sun unleashes a constant stream of charged particles, a solar wind that flows through our solar system. When these particles collide with Earth's magnetic field, they're drawn towards the poles, setting the stage for a breathtaking spectacle. Imagine a curtain of light shimmering and dancing across the night sky, painted in hues of green, blue, and purple. These are the auroras, a celestial ballet choreographed by the unseen forces of our universe. Auroras occur when the charged particles from the sun excite atoms in Earth's upper atmosphere. As these atoms return to their normal state, they release photons of light, creating the ethereal glow that we see. The colors of the aurora depend on the type of atom that is excited and the altitude at which the collision occurs. Oxygen, for example, produces the most common green and red auroras, while nitrogen can create blue and purple hues. The northern lights, or aurora borealis, are visible in the high northern latitudes, while the southern lights, or aurora australis, grace the skies of the southern hemisphere. These ethereal displays remind us of the interconnectedness of our solar system, how events millions of miles away can create such stunning beauty here on Earth. So, the next time you find yourself gazing up at a clear night sky, remember the silent symphony of particles and energy, painting the heavens with light, a cosmic lullaby to soothe your mind. Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter lies a vast, donut-shaped region populated by millions of rocky bodies. This is the asteroid belt, a cosmic graveyard of sorts, where remnants from the early solar system continue to silently circle our sun. These asteroids, ranging in size from pebbles to dwarf planets, are like time capsules, offering clues to the conditions that existed billions of years ago when our solar system was young. Imagine our solar system in its infancy, a swirling cloud of gas and dust. As gravity drew these materials together, they began to clump, forming larger and larger bodies. The largest of these became the planets, while countless smaller fragments remained scattered throughout the solar system. The asteroid belt is thought to be a collection of these leftover building blocks, remnants of a planet that never quite formed. Though depicted in science fiction as chaotic and densely packed, the asteroid belt is actually quite sparsely populated. Spacecraft traveling through this region have little to fear from collisions, as the asteroids are spread out over vast distances. But don't let this emptiness fool you. Each asteroid, no matter how small, holds within it a record of the early solar system's formation. The asteroid belt serves as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. It's a place where the past and present collide, where remnants of a bygone era continue to silently orbit our sun. Out in the frigid depths of our solar system, beyond the orbit of Neptune, lies a realm of icy bodies known as the Kuiper Belt and the even more distant Oort cloud. These regions are home to comets, cosmic snowballs composed of ice, rock, and dust. For billions of years, these celestial wanderers have silently drifted through the depths of space, holding within them the frozen ingredients of our early solar system. Occasionally, a comet's serene journey is interrupted by the gravitational pull of a passing star or a nudge from a giant planet. This encounter can send the comet hurtling inward towards the sun, beginning a long, slow fall that can last for thousands of years. As a comet approaches the sun, it begins to warm, and the ice within it sublimates, transforming directly from solid to gas. This process releases gas and dust, forming a glowing halo around the comet's nucleus, known as the coma. Further warmed by the sun's energy, the escaping gas and dust are pushed away from the comet by the solar wind, forming a magnificent tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. These tails often split into two distinct parts, a bluish ion tail and a whitish dust tail, trail behind the comet like ethereal banners, creating a breathtaking spectacle in our night sky. Comets, with their unpredictable appearances and celestial beauty, have captivated humanity for millennia. They have inspired awe and wonder, but also fear and superstition. But today, we recognize them for what they truly are: messengers from the outer solar system, carrying with them secrets from the dawn of our solar system. As we observe these icy wanderers, we catch a glimpse of the vastness of space and the intricate dance of celestial objects that has unfolded over eons. Time, that ever-present river, flowing relentlessly forward. At least, that's how we experience it here on Earth. But venture out into the cosmos, and you'll find that time, well, it plays by a different set of rules. Einstein's theory of relativity revealed that time is not absolute, but rather, it's relative. The stronger the gravitational pull, the slower time flows. Near a massive object like a black hole, time stretches, distorts, almost comes to a standstill. Imagine for a moment traveling close to the speed of light. Time for you would slow down relative to someone standing still on Earth. You could journey for years, yet return to find mere moments have passed back home. This mind-bending concept of time dilation reminds us that our perception of the universe, of time itself, is just that, a perception shaped by our limited experience. The cosmos holds mysteries, and time, it seems, is one of its most intriguing enigmas. In the velvet darkness of the night sky, stars shimmer like a million tiny diamonds scattered across a cosmic canvas. Each point of light, a distant sun, burning with a fiery passion that can last for billions of years. Consider our own star, the sun. For over 4.5 billion years, it has bathed our planet in warmth and light, the engine driving life as we know it. And it will continue to do so for billions more, a comforting thought in an ever-changing universe. These stellar furnaces, fueled by nuclear fusion in their cores, are the lighthouses of the cosmos. Their steady glow has guided explorers for millennia, and their light, traveling at an unfathomable speed, connects us to the distant past. When you gaze up at the stars, tonight, remember, you are witnessing light that has journeyed for perhaps millions of years, carrying with it the whispers of ancient cosmic events, a reminder of the vastness of space and the enduring nature of the universe. It may surprise you to learn that the vast emptiness of space is not so empty after all. Drifting through the cosmos are countless tiny particles, remnants of exploded stars, the building blocks of planets, the stuff of stars themselves, cosmic dust. These microscopic grains, composed of elements like carbon, silicon, and iron, may seem insignificant. But just as a single brushstroke contributes to a masterpiece, cosmic dust plays a crucial role in the grand tapestry of the universe. Clouds of cosmic dust, illuminated by starlight, create breathtaking nebulae, celestial canvases painted across the cosmos. Within these stellar nurseries, gravity draws the dust together, slowly, patiently, over eons. And from this seemingly insignificant dust, new stars ignite, planets form, and perhaps, in a quiet corner of the universe, life itself begins anew. A humbling thought that we too are made of this stardust, connected to the universe in a cosmic danza that has spanned billions of years. We often picture the planets of our solar system moving in perfect circles around the sun. It's a tidy image, perhaps comforting in its simplicity. But the universe, as always, is a bit more nuanced, a bit more elegant. Our planets don't trace out perfect circles, but rather graceful ellipses. These elongated circles are the paths carved by the delicate balance between a planet's forward momentum and the sun's gravitational pull. Imagine for a moment a cosmic waltz. Just as dancers ebb and flow, moving closer and then farther apart in a harmonious embrace, so too do the planets glide through space. They're drawn closer to the sun, then swing further away in a celestial ballet that has played out for billions of years. This elliptical dance isn't a sign of chaos, but rather of order, of a universe governed by precise laws. And as you drift off to sleep, let the thought of this cosmic waltz lull you into a state of peaceful slumber. We gaze up at the night sky, mesmerized by the glittering tapestry of stars, but what we see is only a fraction of what's actually there. Lurking unseen is a mysterious substance that outweighs all the visible matter in the universe combined, dark matter. We can't see it, not with our telescopes or any instrument we've devised. It doesn't emit light, nor does it reflect it. Yet, we know it's there, this invisible hand subtly shaping the cosmos. How do we know? By the way it interacts with the universe around it. Galaxies spin faster than they should, held together by a gravitational force stronger than what we can see. This and other cosmic puzzles point to the existence of dark matter. It's a humbling thought that something so fundamental to the universe remains shrouded in mystery. But rather than be daunted, let's find peace in knowing that the cosmos still holds secrets waiting to be unlocked, mysteries that beckon us ever deeper into the vast unknown. We've talked about the vastness of space, the dance of galaxies, and the birth and death of stars. But there's a mysterious force at play in the universe, something we call dark energy. It's invisible, undetectable by any instruments we've devised. Yet we know it's there, subtly pushing the universe to expand at an ever-increasing rate. Imagine a bread dough rising in the oven, each raisin within it moving further away from the others. That's what's happening on a cosmic scale. Galaxies are not just drifting apart, they're being pushed apart by this unseen hand of dark energy. It's a humbling reminder that for all our scientific progress, the universe still holds profound mysteries, waiting to be unraveled. And perhaps As you drift off to sleep tonight, you might ponder this cosmic puzzle, a reminder of the infinite wonders that lie beyond our grasp. Consider the atoms that make up your body, the very building blocks of your being. Where did they come from? The answer, my friends, is written in the stars. Every element heavier than helium, like the carbon in your muscles, the oxygen you breathe, the calcium in your bones, was forged in the fiery hearts of stars, billions of years ago. When those stars exploded, they scattered these elements across the cosmos, seeding the universe with the ingredients for life. So, you are not just living in the universe, you are a part of it. You are stardust, a product of billions of years of cosmic evolution. As you lie down to rest, remember that connection you have to the vastness of space. You are a child of the universe, born from the same stardust that forms those distant, twinkling stars. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos tonight, let the peace of the universe wash over you. We've explored the vastness of space, the intricate dance of celestial objects, and the profound mysteries that continue to captivate our imagination. May these cosmic wonders bring you a sense of tranquility and wonder. Remember, you are a part of this grand cosmic tapestry, connected to every star and every galaxy in the universe. Thank you for joining us on this tranquil journey through space. May these cosmic wonders bring you peace and a restful sleep. Good night.